customer complained about a supplement not working, and Noem upsold him to buy more. I'm about to show you how one conversation just saved the business $400,000 per year. Now, before you think this is clickbait, look at this. Real conversation, real customer, real money. To protect our clients' privacy, we changed the company's name and the product type. But this conversation is word for word exactly what happened. The customer literally says, "It's hard for me to recommend this product." And watch what happens next. By the end, he's asking how to stay in touch and thanking them for excellent service. This is not normal. Look, I've been helping entrepreneurs build trust and convert cold audiences for 15 years. I've seen every engagement strategy. Most businesses lose money on customer support. They hire people, train them, pay benefits, deal with turnover. It's a cost center. I've helped clients hit 40% conversion rates from cold traffic, generated $250,000 in 10 days, and even got flown around the world by Google to train their own teams. But what if I told you there's a way to turn customer service into your highest ROI sales channel, and it costs less than your daily coffee habit? Stay with me on this one. Here's what happened. Supplement company, customer bought their power product, basically a pre-workout energy. 2 weeks in, he's complaining. Energy boost fades too fast. He's frustrated. Now, 99% of companies would either give a refund and lose the customer, offer a discount to shut him up, transfer him to 3 different departments. Noem did something different, something that would make Jordan Belfort proud. Watch this response. First, empathy. Thanks for sharing what you're experiencing. It's frustrating. She's not defensive. She's not making excuses. Then she does something genius. She doesn't just solve the problem, she expands it. Would you like us to explore other options together? See what happened there? Customer is hot, ready to return the product. Noem turns it into a consultation. Now she's the expert, he's the student. Look at this. She asks his age, health conditions, current experience. This isn't customer service. This is a sales discovery. She's qualifying him while he's complaining. Then, product recommendations. To improve sustained energy and workout endurance, you would combine power with endure. She's literally upselling a dissatisfied customer. But it gets better. The customer asked for muscles growth. Look what happened next. A product card appears in the chat with pricing, 1 click to buy. This isn't just customer service. It's a sales funnel inside customer support. Let me say that again. It's a sales funnel inside customer support. She explains every product in their line. Muscle, endure, power, focus, lean, pump. Noem knows more about their products than most of their sales team. And here's the kicker. When he asks for a free sample, she doesn't just say no. She explains why she can't. She offers to escalate and ask for his details. She's still selling while handling objections. Now let me show you what this will cost you with humans. Experienced sales rep, $65,000 per year. Benefits, another $20,000. Training, another $8,000. And that's for one person. But this conversation, that was at midnight in Hebrew. You want 24/7 multilingual support? That's 5 employees minimum. We're talking $400,000 plus per year, plus recruitment, turnover, management. Noem, $99 a month total. So $400,000 versus $1,200. And Noem never gets tired, never has a bad day, never calls in sick. But here's what most people miss. This isn't just about cost saving. Look at the quality of this interaction. Noem provided empathetic complaint handling, product education, lifestyle coaching, strategic upselling, professional escalation. This is better than 90% of human reps I've ever seen. And it's consistent every time, no bad days, no personality conflicts, no, let me check with my manager. The customer went from wanting a refund to asking how to stay in touch. That's not just customer service, that's relationship building. And here's what's really happening. We're not just freeing customer service reps, We're upgrading the entire customer experience. Think about it. Your best salesperson, your most product knowledgeable rep, your most patient customer service agent, all rolled into one. Available 24/7 in any language, never has an off day. And here's the scary part for businesses that don't adapt. Their competitor just got a 400x cost advantage on customer service, while turning it into a profit center. Now here's what's different about how we build this. Most AI chatbots use rigid workflows, if-else condition, very pre-canned responses. That's not AI thinking, that's just fancy phone trees. Those systems break the moment someone asks something unexpected. They can't adapt. They can't really sell because they're not thinking, they're just following scripts. We built something different. We're not teaching Noem what to say, we're teaching it how to think, how to understand context, how to read between the lines, how to build relationships. And here's the crazy part. If you can edit a Word document, you can have an AI just like this working for your business in 30 minutes. No coding, no complex workflows, just plain English instructions on how to think about your customers. Full transparency, I'm the co-founder of noem-ai. This is our AI, and yes, I am biased, but the numbers don't lie, and neither does this conversation. If you want to see how this could work for your business, there's a link in the description. You can try it for free. And when your competitors are spending $500,000 on support staff while you're turning customer complaints into upsells, you'll thank me for showing you this. If this video helped you see the future of customer service, smash the like button. Subscribe if you want more business breakdowns that saves you hundreds of thousands of dollars. And if you want the entire transcript of this conversation, check the link in the description. And remember, in business, you're either growing or you're dying. Noem is how you grow.